Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Envy from Inside Out 2. So let's get started. To draw cute Envy, let's first start by drawing her huge eyes. So I'm going to start right here and draw a really big circle. And then I'm going to come right across, really close to it, so say about right here. And we're going to draw another huge circle. There. Okay, so now that we have these two big circles, I'm going to kind of make them draw so cute eyes. So I'm going to come about right here and draw a big highlight, so big circle. I'm going to change it up to kind of follow the original. And then right about here, we're going to draw like the starburst. So I'm going to draw these 4 curves to connect it. There. And then let's draw a curve at the bottom. And then we're going to come inside here and we're going to draw, I'm just going to lightly draw some of these ovals or circles just for more highlights here and there, just to fill up the space. And so same thing here. And then lines at the bottom. I totally forgot about that, sorry. And same thing here. And since these eyes are a little bit more complicated with the colors inside, I thought I would try to help you show you how to color them. So I'm going to come in here with my black, and then I'm going to just shade in the top part only. And then I'm going to use the dark blue to gradate inside after, so maybe like half of the eye. Color it in black. So something like that, and then so same thing here. It's always easier when you can just blend the colors on the computer. Okay, so now that I have the black in, I'm going to come in here with like a really dark blue and color everything else in here. So let's see if this works. I'm not too sure. It would probably help if I had some colored pencils too that I can overlay over it to blend it in more, but I don't have that with me right now, so I'm just going to try it with these markers. If it doesn't work, I'm just going to go in there and color it all black. Because that would work too. Okay, so now that you've colored in blue, what you want to do is come back where it meets the black and just go over it again so that you can make the blue darker. So you can blend it into the black a little bit more. There, so hopefully there's like a soft gradation that you can see. Hopefully my camera can pick it up. And then for the circles, it's going to be like a very dull grayish blue. So I'm just, luckily I was able to find that kind of color. But You can always use like a gray marker if you don't have this color to go over like a light blue. I'll come in here and do it again because it's not very bright. It's actually just very subtle. So darken it up. There. So hopefully that looks a little bit more like galaxy. And then I'm going to come in here with this kind of aquish green color and color this part in. And same thing here. There, so hopefully that works and I've helped you. And so now that we have the eyes in, we can finally go ahead and draw everything else in. So from there, let's come to the center, and about right here, we're going to draw a tiny little mouth that's kind of like a shape of a heart sideways. So let's say about right here, we're just going to draw a tiny little mouth. So let's go up with a curve, and then we're going to round it off as if we're drawing a heart sideways and connect. So the bottom part is a little bit thicker. There. And then let's draw her brows. So I'm going to come above each eye and we're just going to draw a slant coming down, and then let's thicken it up. So I'm trying to make it have her the look where she's going ooh. And so same thing here, because she's envy, right? She wants everything someone else has. There, so we have that curve in for her brow. Now we need to frame her face. So let's, since these eyes are really big, I'm just going to say about, well, you know what? Okay, let's do this. Let's come to the top of her head, and we're going to come out close to it and say about right here. Just give yourself a point. So same thing here, just like the other side. Then from there, we're going to just kind of draw a curve, kind of going around the eye. Draw a curve going around these huge eyes, and then we're going to bring it down. And let's find my center. Let's say about right here. It's kind of how low I want it. So about right here, give myself a point so I know where I'm going. And I'm just going to connect it with a curve. And go on the other side. And connect. There. So nice big face. Then from there, let's go up. We're going to bring this up. And it's shallower at the top, so we're just going to go barely over her brow. So let's go up. And connect it. And come right back down to here. There. Okay. Finally. Then from there, and then she has some freckles right here on her nose, so you can use a darker, I believe it's like a darker aqua color. And then let's draw her hair. So let's find the center and say about right here. We're going to come up with her hair parts in the center. So let's go up right here and up right here on the other side. And then let's work on this side first. We're going to come down with a bunch of wobbles. So we're going to come down. And let's say about right here, we're stop, kind of like where her mouth is. And then we're going to come on this side, just wobble a little bit, just go up, maybe for like one break in the strand, come down, and then we're just gonna wobble all the way back to her face. so then the same thing over here. Just wobble. And I just want to make sure I'm about the same as the other side. So I'm just going to drag this point across so that I'm approximately the same height as the other side. And then I can go ahead and wobble just like the other side all the way in. There. Okay, so then just to simplify her hair. And then we have some strands we need to draw. So let's come in the center. Draw one and then another one up. And then she has a hair clip. So on the sides right here, about here, I'm going to go ahead and just draw this hair clip or curve. And then the inside of the clip right there. So same thing on the other side, about right here. So just wider towards the face and thinner as it gets out. And then she has some strands that are poking out from here as well. And here. There. And let's see here. Bring this in a little bit more. Okay, and then for some details, you can come in here. You can do this when you're coloring it, so it's not, if you don't want the black lines, but just wanted to show you, you can come in here and draw some wiggle lines to give her hair more texture. And then her cute little body. So let's find her center once again and say about right here. And I'm going to draw 2 angle lines. And then we're going to go up and in. Up and in for her little collar. And then we're going to come in about right here and here. We're going to come down. Just flare it out a little bit. Same thing on the other side, and then just connect for a small little body and dress. Then let's come over here. She has long sleeves, so we're going to bring it down to about here and bring it in. Same thing here. And connect, and then let's draw her tiny little hands. I'm going to come here with thumb and fingers. So same thing here. Thumb and fingers. And then let's see here. Let's come to the center. And I'm just going to draw a straight line down. And we're going to draw another line right here and another line here, and then cut it off. And then we just draw her boots down and then pop it out and connect. So nice and simple. Pop it out and connect. There. And then for some details on her dress, I'm just going to come right here in the center and draw a heart first to make her my Draw So Cute Envy. And then I'm going to come in here and just draw a bunch of circles for her polka dot dress. So just fill in the space. And maybe another one right there. And that is pretty much it for my drawing here of Envy from Inside Out 2. I really hope I helped you draw her fun and easy today, and if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.